The world is full of people and mistakes. Love the former and forgive the later. Today, the crises that we are faced are twofold. One is, people who have idea have no power, and people who have power have no idea. And that is where the disaster is. What we need to aspire for the future, a globe free from violence, a globe free from hunger, where everyone gets justice and people can live as one family, one nation. Unless we address the violence that is plaguing this world, we cannot imagine a peaceful and prosperous world. Prosperity is directly linked to peace or non-violence. So NGOs can play a major role. Religious people, spiritual people can play a major role in bringing a change in the mindset. Once peace comes, prosperity follows. So we need to combat violence. And the cause for violence, I would say, is stress, number one. Wrong ideology, number two. Lack of understanding, communication, and number three. We need to bring the change in the mindset of people. We need to work on that through education, through understanding. We need to educate every child in a multicultural, multi-religious education. Because children learn to respect others' faith. They learn to respect others' religion. They learn not only just respect, they start celebrating each other's values. So such value-based education is essential. Everyone come together, let's sing and celebrate our diversity. This is the time to celebrate diversity, not just crib on diversity and worry about each other's existence. So with these few words, I would once again like to say that forums like this can bring into awareness that those who have ideas will have to take the help of those who do not have ideas but have power, bring them together and make the world a better place. My dream is to see the whole world as one family. And this we can do when we remove the prejudice from the minds of people. The youths of today are moving in that direction, and it is unstoppable. I feel that youths today, with this information and technology available, are coming together beyond the barriers and boundaries and prejudice and moving together to a new world order where there is peace, there is prosperity, and human values. Thank you very much.